Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to highlight that the filter is chosen in Power BI report. Here is an example dashboard. I have one graph here which shows the profit made for two countries, Germany and United States, per each month. And I also have several filters here for a segment, product, country and year. Sometimes the reports user may choose a filter and then get distracted, get into a discussion or do something else, then get back to the data and see that it's not quite, something maybe is not quite right, that it's not how they remember the data in their head. And they may think that maybe the report is wrong, is built falsely or something else. But actually they forgot that they have chosen a filter. So what can we do to prevent such situations? So what is the solution that I suggest? Let's go to the page number 2. It will look like this. If the filter is chosen, then the manager or the person who uses the report will see a red box over this filter. If it is not chosen, nothing will be highlighted. So how you do it? At first, the box is really a rectangle, so we want to insert, not the image, sorry, a rectangle, and we don't want it to be filled. We want to see only the border, and the color of the border should change depending on if this filter is chosen or not. So for that, we will use the conditional formatting, and there are different variants for the format style. We want to choose a field value, and to do that we should of course create this field value. So we create a new measure. I will call it segment filtered, and if is filtered segment. So if the segment is filtered, we say choose the red color for the border, and if it is not filtered, then white color, which we will not see because the background of the report is white. The code for the red color is the following: EC0016. And the code for the white color is 6 times F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. Now I have this measure, and now I can go back to the conditional formatting. So I choose it. It should be based on the field value. Now I choose the value, segment filtered. Okay. Now nothing is chosen in the filter, so it is white. If we choose something, it is now red. Let's move it to the right place. It should be here near the segment, so it will be framed in this red box. Now if we place the square that we created above the filter, then we won't be able to change the filter, because in Power BI reports there are layers, and at first there lays a filter, and above of the filter we make this square. To enable the filter, we should change the format and move this square to the background. Moreover, we should change some settings in the filter, and we should go and make the background of this filter 100% transparent. I should also warn you, there is a small problem with this case, with this box. and it is following. If I choose a filter for the page, for example, I will also take the segment, where is it? And I will use it as a filter on this page. I will select some segments, for example, enterprise. Then my box will be red, independent from this filter visual, because the field itself is already filtered and it is shown correctly, but not because the filter is chosen where we wanted it to be. So you should be careful about this problem, but usually if you make your filters above the report, I don't think that many people will use the filters which are right of the page. Unfortunately, I don't have a solution for this problem yet, so if you have some thoughts, you may write in the comments below. So that's it. I should also mention that the data used to create this report is the example data from Power BI, and I have a separate video which explains how to get this data. Thank you for watching, and write your comments below if you like this video.